Hey there, my name is Saar Swartzon. I'm an attorney and founding partner at Cohn and Swartzon. The one promise we always make is that we're going to take care of you. We're going to take care of everything and take care of all the stuff that's on your plate with respect to the car accident or other injury that you obtain, whether it's a dog bite or whatever it is. We're going to take the laboring oar of dealing with insurance companies, dealing with health insurance, dealing with any paying back any medical subrogation claims. There's a lot involved in these claims, and really your only job is to get better. Our job is to take care of everything else. One of the things we get questioned about a lot is, why should I call an attorney right away? Why can't I just wait a few weeks or whatever? The problem is evidence. So sometimes you need to collect evidence right at the beginning of the case when it's fresh. Videos disappear quickly, people's memories fade quickly. Other evidence that you might need to obtain, vehicle inspections. If the vehicle's been fixed already, the other person's vehicle's been fixed already, it makes it difficult to obtain the evidence that we sometimes need for our cases. So that's why it's super important to call early so we can gather all the evidence to assist you in making the best claim on your case.